Hi, I'm Jason.
I'm Victoria.
She's red-headed. And this is cooking with red. You want to make some Salisbury steak? You know, we got to get started with some hamburger patties.
Mm-hmm.
You gonna help me make them up?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, let's grab us something here. We got several things to put in here.
What, anything?
Yeah, we got ground beef right here. And we got to put stuff in it.
Egg.
Mm-hmm. Egg. 1 egg. About 2 pounds of ground beef. There you go. Now watch this. I'm gonna throw these breadcrumbs in here.
Breadcrumbs? I thought they were crackers.
Well, crushed up crackers that we made into breadcrumbs. All right, throw that shell right there. Mm-hmm.
Why did it sound like glass?
And then we got some steak seasoning. Get some steak seasoning in there. You wanna grab our Worcestershire sauce? Dump it on in there.
Oh, I don't know how much.
Keep going, I'll tell you when to stop.
It's not pouring out.
This got like a, you gotta kind of shake it. Like that. And it comes out. See that? Probably could have just took that top off, huh?
Yeah, probably.
There, that'll probably be all right. You ready?
Sure.
Mix it up.
I don't know what to do.
Oh, what is that? Too gross for you?
It's gross.
Gross. Here, you want some egg?
Don't do that. It's
All right, I'll mix it up. You help me make the patties.
still touching it, though.
I know you just got your nails done, didn't you?
It's gross, though.
What's gross?
That.
This?
Just that.
Ah, it ain't that gross.
That's the right there.
It's just hamburger meat and mixins. Mix it all in. Been a good weekend, ain't it?
Yes.
Why don't you tell me about what you and your mama did?
We went and got manicures and pedicures and we got our hair done.
Did what now?
We got manicures and pedicures and our hair done.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Manicures, pedicures, and
And
got your
boba.
hair done. And boba.
And boba. Boba. I like boba.
Sounds like you got spoiled this weekend.
No.
No? Did you get pampered a little bit?
Huh?
Pampered?
I don't know what that means.
Have nice treatments?
Yeah,
Nice
I
things
guess so.
done to you? Got your hands massaged and your feet massaged?
Boba.
And boba tea.
I like boba tea.
All right, I think that stuff's mixed in good. You ready to make some patties? You're gonna help me with this, right?
Yeah, sure.
Just take, about that much. Here, take that. We're gonna make a patty out of it.
All of it?
Make it into a ball and then flatten it out into a patty.
It feels really, really, really weird.
Oh yeah? Don't feel like a snowball, does it?
No, I'd rather let it feel like.
Snow's fun.
Yes, I love snow.
You happy with your haircut?
Yes.
Your hair looks really nice.
Yes.
All right. You can just flatten it out. A nice round patty. Put it on a plate. And we'll do it again. Another one.
Plate.
There you go.
It just appears on my hand. I'm just sitting here.
Yeah.
It just appears on my hand.
Uh-oh. Throwing food.
Yep. Like he threw food at me.
You had some rice thrown at you last night.
Yes, I did have rice thrown at me. Last night.
Went to a hibachi place last night and she got some rice thrown at her and she caught it, some of it, a little bit of it. This should make us up about 6 patties here.
6. Are we
I
going?
think. Maybe a little more than that.
Yeah, that's only 2 more because there's 4 here. So I don't think half of that's going to be 6.
Yeah, you're right, because we still got a good bit in here. Here, you get some. Or you want that?
Big clump of stuff in the hands.
A little too much.
Look
Uh-huh.
disgusting.
It's all right, we can wash our hands after this.
Eek.
We're going to finish watching,
It's like wet.
making these patties up, and then we'll be back. Patty, patty, patty. All right, baby. Miss Red, you ready to put these patties in here and sear them up?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, we ended up with 8 patties, so let's go ahead and let's go ahead and do 4 of them. Put 4 of them in that pan.
4?
Yeah, 4 of them.
You do 2, I do 2.
All right, let's do it.
I don't know which one to do.
Don't matter. We'll have to do 4 and then do the other 4. What we're going to do is just put them in the pan. There you go. We're going to give these a good little sear on each side. Let that sit and cook and sear on that side for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to flip it over and sear the other side. Then we'll do the other 4. All right, I think these are seared up. Let's get these things a flip, Red.
Okay. Start with this one.
Yep, that way we can sear the other side of them.
Come here. There we
There you
go.
go. Good job. Awesome. All right, we'll get this side seared up, and then we'll do the other ones, and we'll be back. All right, well, we got our burgers seared up, our little steak patties. Now we got some onions and mushrooms. Got our pan wiped out and oiled. We're gonna saute these things up a little bit. Kind of cook them down. We're gonna take our spatula and kind of spread them out. Just kind of spread them out, stir them around a little bit. Yeah. Mushrooms. That's all right. You ain't got to make it perfect because we're going to stir them around. They're going to all get cooked. There you go.
Those 2 are just like stuck together.
Well, we'll get these cooked down and we'll be back. All right, Red. You see how them onions are kind of softening up? How they've all kind of reduced down. They ain't taking as much space up in the pan as what they was. Yeah. Mushrooms are getting tanned. Onions are kind of getting a tan on them. I think that right there is about where we want them. So let's pull them things up and stick them in this bowl here.
Right here?
Yep. There you go. I'll bring it over here for you.
Try and pile them up so I can like get a good scoop on them.
You're doing a great job. A natural.
That means like 3 right there.
Good job.
Got them all now.
All right, now we got just 4 cups of just some powdered brown gravy mix. And we're gonna go ahead and add this to our pan.
That startled me.
We're gonna bring it to a light boil. Keep it stirred. And then as we go to see it start thickening up, we're gonna add our patties and the onions and mushrooms back to it. We'll be back. All right, we got our gravy starting to get thick, or thickening. We're gonna turn our heat down from medium to about simmer. And we're gonna add our patties back in here. You ready? And then we'll keep these things covered with gravy as they cook, as the gravy kind of cooks down a little bit. Look at that.
That one just completely like sunk.
Mm-hmm.
That one's right there.
Awesome.
And it's just gone.
And
See that one?
we're going to add our onions and mushrooms back in it. Take your whisk and knock all them down there and there. There you go. There you go.
I don't think we've ever put the onions and mushrooms.
We'll get a
in
spoon here in a second. We'll start basting the meat with the gravy as it simmers and cooks down. And we'll be back. All right, well, we got this stuff all ready to eat here, ain't we? We let these Salisbury steaks simmer in the pan for about as long as it takes to mash up a bowl of mashed taters. And we're gonna try this. You ready to give it a try? Let's give it a try. You know what I'm gonna eat mine with?
A jalapeno. It's good.
Is it good?
It's good.
You gonna try it with jalapeno?
No.
You sure?
Sure.
I got plenty. Well, I think that's quite good. That's how we make Salisbury steak around here. May not be right. That's what we like. I think we're gonna finish up dinner here. And y'all have a good one.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.